today I'll be teaching you gram staining experiment and how to write this gram staining experiment in your practical record. This is my practical record, so you can see I have included topics. First I have written aim, that is to differentiate bacteria as gram positive and gram negative organism by the gram staining method. Then principle of the gram staining method, then requirements, whatever you will require, then procedure, step by step, point wise, then observation and results. Okay, so let's start. In gram staining, we all know that it is developed by Christian Gram in 1884. This is really important question and it may come in FAQs. And some more important viva questions generally comes from the principle of the gram staining method, which is crystal violet is known as primary stain, iodine is as mordant, 95% alcohol is decolorizer, and safranin secondary stain or counter staining. So this principle you can study from any practical book or from your teacher, from anywhere, but I have studied this from my just favorite book, Aneja, and you also can buy this book and you can study the full principle of gram staining. So let's start the procedure. So you need to prepare some reagents if you don't have commercially available. Otherwise, some laboratories also have directly crystal violet solution, iodine solution, and other safranin and all. But if you don't have, so you can prepare it also. It is really easy to prepare. So the composition, the crystal violet solution, we have to make in two parts. Like first, a solution, like take 2 gram of crystal violet crystals and dissolve it in 20 ml of 95% alcohol. Okay, so take 2 gram of crystal violet, dissolve it in 20 ml of alcohol. Then solution B you need to prepare, take 0.8 gram of ammonium oxalate and dissolve it in 80 ml of distilled water. Then add this both solutions and your crystal violet solution is ready. Then iodine solution, take 2 gram of potassium iodide and dissolve it in 300 ml of distilled water and 1 gram of iodine crystal. So what you need to do is, first you need to take 2 gram of potassium iodide, which you will be dissolving it in distilled water, 300 ml of distilled water, and by the adding of 1 gram of iodine crystal. So your iodine solution will be ready. Then 95% of alcohol. How you will prepare the 95% of alcohol? Mostly you will get it directly 95% if you will not be having. So what you need to do is you need to take 95 ml of alcohol and dissolve it in 5 ml of distilled water. That's all. Your 95% alcohol is prepared. Then safranin solution. If you need to prepare this, so take 0.25 gram of safranin and dissolve it in 10 ml of 95% of ethyl alcohol. Then add 100 ml of distilled water in it and then filter it. Then your safranin is ready. Otherwise, this all reagent, this all solution, staining solution, you will be getting from your lab directly prepared. So you can use that also. So let's go for the experiment. What you need for the experiment is I'll show you via diagram. So yeah, okay, let's start gram staining experiment. What you need for this experiment is already grown culture, a loop, a clean glass slide, Bunsen burner, and the stains and the solutions, which is crystal violet, grams iodine, ethyl alcohol, safranin, and distilled water. Okay, Let's start. What you need to do, see, this is a petri dish and you can see culture over here. Then place a small drop of distilled water over this slide. Then take a loopful of culture and smear it with that drop. Okay, then heat fix it with Bunsen burner. Don't do it continuously. Do it like just do for 5 seconds, then remove the slide, then again do it for 5 seconds, then remove the slide. Okay, do it like that. And after heat fixing, what you need to do, you need to add crystal violet stain for 60 seconds. Then remove the excess crystal violet stain by washing it with distilled water drop by drop for 10 seconds only. Okay, then you need to add grams iodine for 30 seconds. Okay, then again wash it with distilled water drop by drop for 5 to 10 seconds. That's all. Then what you need to do, you need to add ethyl alcohol for 10 to 20 seconds by drop. Then what you need to add, the next stain, which is safranin, and let it be for 60 seconds. Then wash excess stain with distilled water drop by drop. Then air dry the slide. Always dry the slide naturally. Okay, after that you need to observe under microscope. Okay, I'll be showing you my observation. Okay, this is my observation. You can see you need to write your observation over here. Now you can see these pictures. This is under microscope. See, one more tip, if you are adjusting a microscope, first you need to adjust for 40x, then go for 100x, and for 100x you need to add a drop of oil immersion on your slide. Okay, just put a drop of oil and set it for 100x. Then whatever you will observe, if your teacher has given you the gram positive bacteria which he or she knows, then it will appear like this. If it is given gram negative, then it will appear like this, pink in color. So you can see these are the rod shaped bacteria, purple in color and in chain, and over here you can see the pink color colonies, round shape, cocci shape, and in bunch. So these are the gram negative bacteria. So then when you observe it under microscope, you'll get to know like which bacteria it is gram positive or gram negative. So you need to write it down in under observation table. Test organism, I didn't know what is the culture, so I have written like that, like given culture by my teacher. Then observation, like shape I have observed over here, rod shape, cocci shape, and then arrangement, like it is chain and it is in bunch, so write it down here. Then color, obviously it is in purple if it is gram positive, so purple if you see, so write it down result in gram positive. If you see the pink color colonies, write it down gram negative. So experiment result will be gram negative if it is in pink, and purple, so it will be gram positive bacteria. One more tip I wanna give you, which is really interesting and important. See, every experiment book and teacher gives you different kind of seconds, like 30 seconds or 1 minute. They can say 1 minute means 60 seconds only. So 60 seconds or 30 seconds. Just you need to take care is, if you are adding crystal violet for 60 seconds, add safranin also for 60 seconds. It is a major important principle. Okay, same timings you need to take care for crystal violet and safranin. So it is really easy to remember. So I have already taught about the gram positive and gram negative bacteria in my previous video. I'll be giving you the link in description box. You can see that video, the difference between the gram positive and gram negative bacteria. And thanks for watching. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. And my next topic will be on simple stain. And thanks for watching. Bye.